Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis before in the past, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And they actually both definitely come into play as far as today's analysis is concerned. First point is not necessarily an update, but kind of more of a confirmation would probably be a more accurate term. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, you remember me talking about this red line up here as resistance, and you can see that it did indeed act as resistance, especially this morning. Price made an attempted move upwards, could not push through it. And then from there, the price essentially kind of slowly worked its way back downwards the entire day, which brings to the next point of confirmation. And again, will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But I've talked about this area down here at right around $5, that green line. And you can see that's where the price ultimately did find support today, finally going sideways at that area. So as far as kind of levels that have been confirmed as being, key drivers and key points as far as the chart is concerned, 585 up here as a resistance, and then right down here at $5 as a level of support. Now, given the price is, much closer to potentially breaking on the downside of the support, that's where I want to focus on more so kind of supports rather than resistance levels. So in the event this $5 mark does not hold, the next level of support to keep an eye on where the price could very well be headed would be down to the $4.50 mark, which is that second green line down here. Again, I'm not saying that's going to for sure happen because, like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due, and the price is doing a good job of maintaining up around $5 here. But if the bears do work up enough strength and then are able to push down through that $5 mark, 450 would definitely be an area that's not exactly illogical to think the price could head down to. So again, as far as supports, $5 ideal level. If that doesn't hold, then 450 could very well be where the price is headed. So we'll see how things play out. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.